Our selected tool is Social Engineering Toolkit. It is a pen testing tool.
Here is the contribution of each group member in this project.
What is social engineering? Exploitation of human weakness relies on manipulating individuals. Goal is to trick users into revealing confidential information. Second, biggest security threat for business. It is overview 70% of the last 20 major cyber attacks involve social engineering. One third of organizations don't have social engineering prevention. And then different forms. Its different forms are phishing, wishing, smishing, impersonation, and dumpster driving. Social Engineering Toolkit. It is open source penetration testing framework that targets human elements maintained by trusted security. Targets human elements to perform data breaches. Most complete and most advanced social engineering toolkit available. Integrated with third-party modules. Simple menu-driven user interface. The common attack vectors for social engineering toolkit are email-based attack vectors, web-based attack vectors, malicious media generator, and creating payload and listener. Social engineering toolkit purpose. Evaluate publicly available information, employees evaluation, evaluate effectiveness of information security policy and CS controls, security awareness training programs. First of all, establishing the publicly available information that an attacker could obtain about your organization. Then it evaluates how susceptible your employees are to social engineering attacks. Then determine the effectiveness of your information security policy and your cybersecurity controls at identifying and preventing social engineering attacks. Then it develop and mature targeted security awareness training program. The use case of social engineering toolkit in our project is stealing users' credential by phishing web page. Phishing tactics include deceptive emails, websites, and text messages to steal information. We can create a legitimate looking web page and deliver the link to user by manipulating user's mind by first teaching the user about certain issue and then creating a trust bond. The attack scenario. We will create a user guide for how to make a Gmail account step by step. When user starts following the steps and a trust has been created by his learning from our user guide, then at the end of page we will paste our phishing URL and say if you sign up from this link, you will get 50 GB free space in Google Drive. This stated scenario will be carried out in next slide using social engineering toolkit. Performing an attack. Initializing the tool. If we are using Kali Linux, simply search for the social engineering toolkit. It comes pre-installed with Kali. Initializing the tool. Once you enter the tool, you will be presented with the following menu. Select one to perform a social engineering attack. Selecting website attack vectors from the social engineering attack menu, select website attack vectors by selecting option 2. Selecting credentials harvester attack. The website attack vector displays a variety of attacks and their brief description. Choose credential harvester attack method. Then selecting web template option. The credential harvester attack menu will request you enter the type of template you will be using for your phishing page. Press 1 to use the web templates. Configuring the post back IP URL. Next, attack menu will request you enter the IP where request from phishing page will be sent. Press enter to use the IP of machine. Selecting a predefined Gmail template. Next, you will be prompted to select the template for your phishing page. Select 2 to choose Google. Selecting a predefined Gmail template. Once you select the template, the phishing page will be hosted on your local host at port 80. Opening the phishing web page in a browser. Once you open the phishing page, you will see Google login page. Enter some dummy credentials and press sign in. Once you sign in, you will be redirected to www.google.com. Viewing the credentials entered by the user target. If you open the SCT, you will see the credentials entered in the phishing page. Preventions from phishing attacks. Use spam filters and phishing filters to filter out phishing email. Use anti-phishing toolbars in browsers. Educating users. Checking URLs before opening them.
In this demo, I am going to do a phishing attack. For this purpose, we will be using a tool which is pre-installed on Kali Linux called Social Engineering Toolkit. So first of all, we will open the tool. Using this tool, we can perform variety of attacks, but our focus in this demo will be on social engineering attacks. So we will select the first option. From here, we will select our attack vector, which will be a website. And we are in this demo we are going to harvest the credentials of a user, so we will be using the number 3 option, the credential harvester attack method. We will be using predefined templates for this attack, so I will select the first option. Here we will have to enter the IP address or the URL where which we to which we want to post the harvested credentials. Since we don't own a server or dedicated IP address, so I will be using my laptop's own local IP address. We will be using a predefined template of a fake Gmail login page, so we will select a number 2. The A local server has been started on our machine, so in case you want to target in real life, you will be hosting this on a dedicated server. So we will open our browser. Visit the since the website is the fake login page is running on our local host, so I will be using localhost. And here is the fake Gmail login page which we will send to our target. So I will enter the test credentials. And these credentials will be posted back to our tool or the IP address which we have specified during setup of the tool. So here are the credentials the user have entered. So this is how easily a phishing attack can be performed.